The code P0597 means that the system can communicate with the heater control sensor located in the thermostat housing. There are a lot of thoughts about how to fix this issue without replacing the entire housing, which is not that cheap, but basically you shouldn't even try. The only thing I would check is the connector on the housing, because if it's corroded or disconnected, you will most likely get the P0597 code. If the connector is good, just have the entire housing replaced. One more thing to remember is that the OEM BMW or Mini housing is the only good choice. You can get a BMW housing a little cheaper than the one from the Mini dealership, as far as I know, but please don't install an aftermarket housing. It will just lead to engine damage sooner or later, thanks to a pretty dumb system of warning about engine overheating in the Mini Cooper. This is certainly not the part you want to buy cheap. The housing is not that expensive after all. What's expensive is labor in the dealership, so you may find a good independent mechanic who will do the job at half the price. And this is exactly where you can and should save some money.